Good morning, guys. It's me again, Coach MC, your sleep planner, Study Live Explore Canada. And today's video is going to be different because it's gonna be a get ready with me, and it's going to be in Tagalog. So I have my products here. I'm gonna show you some products that I use here in Canada to just maintain my skin. Marami kasi dito, nag-acne sila, nagkakaroon sila ng mga rashes. So, I'm gonna share with you the products that I use and the products that I would recommend. Hindi to sponsored video, ha? Wish ko lang sponsored siya. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 4 points. What's wrong with student pathway? Ano nga bang problema once you become international student? So this is going to be an awareness video for those people na gusto talagang mag-aral dito. So first, let's start with the toner. I already cleansed my face, so I'm gonna start with the toner. So, being international student, alam niyo naman siguro to, that it's very, very expensive. Kasi 15 to 16,000 Canadian dollars yung tuition fee mo. And then, you also need to pay for your utilities, for your house, for your food. And, syempre, yung purchasing power dito, hindi siya mako-compare doon sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pero, first 2 years mo, prepare yourself na hindi kayo masyadong makakaipon. And lahat ng pera palabas talaga. So, you have to be financially prepared when you consider to become international student. So, yun ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga nangangarap na mag-aral dito na hindi siya rainbows and butterflies when you come here. So, now we're done with the toner. I'm gonna use the niacinamide from Ordinary. So, lagi nire-recommend to ng mga students kasi mura siya. I think this one, it's around like, hindi ko matandaan, $7, and then you get this bottle na. So, this is niacinamide, and this is really good para sa skin nyo. 2 drop lang. So, my next point would be being a student here in Canada, especially international student. It's gonna be exhausting. It's gonna be draining kasi nag-aaral ka, nagtatrabaho ka, you don't really have time na magsaya or pumarty. If nakaka-party ka pa sa Pinas, dito medyo mababawasan mo talaga. Kasi bukod sa nagtitipid ka, number 1, wala ka ring oras. And dito, usually yung mga students, pumapasok sila sa school 8:30 to 3 p.m. Especially community college, we have 7 subjects per semester. And talagang ima-manage mo yung oras mo na you have to study and then on the weekend, you have to work. So, kaya dito, sobra talagang nakakapagod. Kasi minsan, pagkatapos ng mag-aral, may mga ka pang projects, may assignment ka pa, meron ka pang, alam mo yun, ang daming mga activities na you also have to do outside school. So that's something that you really have to prepare yourself. So next one I'm gonna use is the same product, but it's gonna be a moisturizer. So this one. So my next point is, here in Canada, you have to really adjust with the culture. So, makwento ko lang yung experience ko dito. I think yung one thing na I won't forget, na nagulat talaga ako, na sobrang na-shock ako, is I misgender one friend. And then talagang nagalit siya, guys. Nagalit talaga siya. Imbes na nasabihan ko siyang she, nasabihan ko siya ng he. And for me, it's not a big deal, right? Pero sa kanila, it's a big no-no. Actually, parang pwede ka atang demanda pag na-misgender mo yung isang tao dito sa Canada. So, that one, you really have to be aware here na there are some practices or culture that they really, really care about, or they're really sensitive. So, you really have to be aware sa surroundings mo. If tingin mo, medyo, sila, sensitive sila sa ganung part, you have to be aware. So, right now, I really have to, learn the hard way, and now I'm super aware whenever I encounter people like them. I have to really check like what kind of like pronoun do I have to, use for you. So parang ganun peg. So other than this one, I also put this one parang Korean glass skin. So let's have this as well. Here in Canada, once you move to another country, hindi naman dito sa Canada, kahit saang bansa, I mean, especially dito sa Canada. Since sa mga tao dito is, you know, they really focus on working, studying, they don't have time to make friends. I mean, for me, it's so hard for me to make friends here. And especially if you're not in a big city, you really have to exert effort to make friends. You have to connect with community, and yun nga, you have to really have time for them. If ikaw ay puro work lang, hindi ka magkakaroon ng friends dito. So, minsan you feel lonely, especially if you come here solo, you don't have family or relatives here in Canada. So, you also have to have good support system. Yan ang hahanapin mo. And also select few friends lang. You don't need to have big bunch of community to become your friends. So, just find, you know, close friends na magiging someone that you can lean on whenever you have tough situation sa buhay mo dito sa Canada. And if you have any experiences here in Canada na tingin mo worth it to share with other people, share it here. Comment below in this video. Again, this is a bit different. I mean, it's kind of different from my other videos, but it's just a sit-down video with you guys. And I haven't done this. Yan, ganyan lang. Kalas na. Ito lang ang peg ko sa Canada. I put moisturizer, toner, and then the lip tint. That's it. I don't really use makeup. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next Friday video. Bye!